Welcome back, Earl Entertainment, baby. We're out here. Welcome back to Earl Entertainment. Pretty cool video for you guys today. It's going to be specifically on this SRT8 Challenger. There's a lot of things about these cars that are special, a lot of things about this specific car that are special, and some of my subscribers had requested some more footage of this car, so that's what we're going to do today. Cold start. This vehicle hasn't been started in at least 3 weeks, so true cold start. We're going to get some good rev audio, and we're also going to take it for a spin down the road and show you guys what this thing is made of. So hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Right now we have 183 subscribers. Small channel. We're trying to grow. Go ahead, subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment what you think. Comment what you want to see in the future videos. We're also going to be getting Earl Entertainment hats. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. Let me know if you want an Earl Entertainment hat. Let's try to break some records with this video, huh? I want to see 100 likes. We've never got 100 likes. Now, for anybody who hasn't seen our review comparison between the 2009 SRT8 and the 2020 SRT Hellcat we have, I recommend you go check that video out. A lot of good information on, this specific car, and a lot of things on this car are a lot better than the Hellcat Challenger. So, great video. Check it out if you haven't seen it. Now, this particular car has got 5,000 miles on it. Its condition is immaculate, just like it came off the showroom floor. Now, I gotta say, I absolutely love this color here with these carbon stripes. It just looks so sharp. Almost like those ghost stripes, right? You can see them at certain angles. They blend pretty well, but they stand out just enough to really give it that very aggressive but clean look. I really love the interiors on these cars. Absolutely beautiful. Very good quality, and I'd say better quality than what you're going to find in the more modern Challengers. Let's take a look under the hood, huh? Under the hood of this car, 6.1 liter V8. Absolutely love this thing. Puts out a lot of power in the high RPM range, as you guys will see shortly here. Low mile example, so this is clean. But I gotta say that if you haven't driven one of these cars, I think you'll be surprised on where the power band is and how high it goes, and it surprises you a little bit. When you do find the power in this car, it's one of those aha moments. There it is. Shall we do a cold start? I think so. We'll let her warm up for just a minute, and then we'll really give her some fuel and see what we can't get this thing to make for noise. They're pretty quiet. You compare it to something like the Hellcat or that GT350 right there, and these things really don't make that much noise factory. You hear that power up high, huh? So down low, it's pretty docile. Once you get up high, it really gives you the power. We're gonna go for a ride right now so you can see what I mean, but anybody unfamiliar with these cars and where the power band is, it's pretty awesome. It's up high. All right, and we're ready to go. We got that Hellcat behind us. Make sure we don't take that out. I've only got 183 subscribers as of today. Every like, comment, and subscriber I get is truly appreciated. I try to get back to everybody who comments on my posts. You know, any feedback to help me improve, I appreciate. I try to implement it. And you know, any requests for videos, I do my best to get them out there for you. I'm a YouTube surfer myself. I'm a car enthusiast. I know what it's like when you want to see some, you know, certain content and maybe it's not there. So anything you guys want to see out of, you know, this SRT8, the GT350, the Hellcat, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to put that together for you in a timely fashion. And we're off. All right, guys, we're over here on Pete's private road, and we're gonna give her a little bit of hell. As you can see, the power's up high. You really feel it start to turn up when you get up above, you know, 4 or 5 grand. That's where the fun begins in these cars. We're not gonna go for a very long ride today. Car's only got 5,000 miles on it. I plan on putting this in the enclosed trailer and bringing it to the track and trying to keep the miles as low as possible. But for you guys, man, you want a video with some pulls, you got it. No problem at all. These things ride a lot smoother than the Hellcat too. Suspension's a little bit more giving in these cars, so they're better daily for sure. Very comfortable, and you can have a lot more fun without going to prison too. You know, you really open up in a few of these gears without doing anything too crazy. And we'll get one more takeoff up here before we go back and put her away. She moves right along pretty good. There you have it. That's it for tonight, folks. Hope you're enjoying Earl Entertainment. Have a good time putting these videos together for you. Just another reminder, as of right now, I have 183 subscribers. I'm a very small channel, just getting started up, and I appreciate every like and every subscriber that I can get. So if you like this content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you want to see in the comments. I'll get that footage out there for you guys. We're going to be getting hats soon. If you want a hat, let me know in the comments. You know, let me know how many people want Earl Entertainment hats. Until the next time, Earl Entertainment, peace.